What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Today I have a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Unlimited Eco Diesel that we lifted and added some new wheels and tires to. So if you guys are looking to modify your Jeep Grand Cherokee, you should definitely take a look at what we did to ours. It looks pretty good, pretty aggressive. It's going to have a 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to raise it up just for this bigger wheel and tire package, which the tire is going to be a 275/55 R20 Terra Grappler G2. So with that mix between the lift kit and this tire, we do have to do some trimming down here on this plastic piece. Do a pretty decent amount of trimming on that plastic piece to help make sure there isn't, to cut down that rubbing as much as possible. Now with this tire, it is going to be that all-terrain tire, so it's going to be a really good on-road tire. So pretty much if you're driving this every day, it's going to be probably the best tire for you to go with. It's going to give you a quiet ride, but it's going to give you the sort of aggressive look that you might want, but also it's going to give you a long tread life as well. This wheel is a 20/9 fuel vapor in the matte black. This fuel wheel is a very popular look along a lot of different vehicles. It's a unique design and it gives it kind of an off-road, more aggressive look to it with all the different things going on. Now this wheel does come in a lot of different sizes, from a 15/8 all the way up to a 22/12. Obviously, the size is not going to fit on this Jeep with the setup that we have, but you do have plenty of options, as well as another finish for this wheel, which is going to be the black DDT finish, which is a really cool look that you should really check out on one of our other videos that we have. So overall, this is a really good look for this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This wheel also pushes that wheel and tire package out about 2 inches from the fender, giving it a nice wider stance. So overall, this is a really good aggressive look for the Grand Cherokee. So if you guys are looking to get that done to your Jeep Grand Cherokee, we can definitely do that for you. But also, we offer 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you guys are interested in either of those things, you can check that out down in the description.